Office in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Illinois, Northern Pulaski County, Illinois, Northwestern Massac County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, Southwestern Williamson County, Illinois, Southeastern Jackson County, Illinois, North Central Alexander County, Illinois, North Central Ballard County, Kentucky, until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Craneville to near Ware, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anna, Jonesboro, Vienna, Cobden, Goreville, Dongelett, Karnak, Olin, Olmsted, Cypress, New Grand Chain, Buncombe, Belknap, and Mill Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 19. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 14 and 44. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Jackson, Johnson, Massac, Pulaski, Union and Williamson, and Ballard, Kentucky. Here are some